rolling down the street. Big wheels moving to the beat, beep, beep. Here we go. RecycleTruck is on the road. Lift it up, tip it high, helping Earth, that's the why. Paper, paper, bottles, bottles, metal cans go clang, clang, clang. Crunch, crunch, hear that sound, keeping our city clean all around. Blue bin, green bin, cleanest city you've ever seen. RecycleTruck, let's go green. Cleanest city you've ever seen. Sort it right, that's the way. Helping Earth every day. Crunch it, crunch, sort it, sort. Keeping our planet super smart. Cardboard boxes stack up tall. Grab the plastic bottles now. Aluminum cans go clang, clang, clang. Working hard with the recycling gang. Lift it up, tip it back. Compactor presses nice and flat. Reduce, reduce, reuse, recycle, recycle, that's what we choose. Go green, go green, go clean, go clean. Best recycle truck on the scene. RecycleTruck, let's go green. Cleanest city you've ever seen. Beep, beep, wave hello, helping Earth as we go. Crunch it, crunch, sort it, sort. KidArt crew, super smart. Green today and green tomorrow. Taking care, no need to borrow. RecycleTruck, rolling through. KidArt crew, we love you.